Can you name all 50 U.S. states from their shape? Let's find out. The answer is Texas. Florida. The answer is California. Alaska. Hawaii. It's Michigan. The answer is Louisiana. That's New York. That's Oklahoma. Idaho. Nevada. Minnesota. Illinois. Maine. That's Montana. That's Virginia. It's Georgia. The answer is Massachusetts. It's Maryland. The answer is North Carolina. It's Tennessee. Kentucky. The answer is Wisconsin. It's Mississippi. Lava. The answer is Pennsylvania. It's Ohio. Oreos. It's New Jersey. The answer is West Virginia. It's South Carolina. That's Missouri. It's Arkansas. That's Indiana. It's Connecticut. The answer is New Hampshire. It's Vermont. Well, I'm aware. That's Rhode Island. The answer is Arizona. Draco. The answer is Nebraska. The answer is Iowa. Kansas. South Dakota. It's North Dakota. That's Wyoming. Colorado. That's all 50 states. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and hit subscribe for more quizzes.